Okay, inside the chicken coop, we're pretty much finished it. We've got a few little bits and bobs to do. There's the ladder, made to Australian standards for chickens, of course. This is the main laying bench, nothing there. And we've got a few little eggs here that the chicken won't come back and sit on. And the door won't come outside. I'm going to have another peruse around the outside. So basically this is the inside of the outside area, so to speak. A few chickies here, just getting used to it. And there's one there that don't want to go inside, and she's the one that's supposed to be sitting on the eggs. She's freaking out because we moved her eggs from the other place.